सुपर टीन्स चैनल में आपका स्वागत है और यहाँ पे आप सीखेंगे फाइनेंस, कम्युनिकेशन, बिजनेस और एआई एंड लॉट्स ऑफ माइंडसेट आल्सो। टीन्स कैसे अपने लाइफ को कंट्रोल में लेके आ सकते हैं एंड अवे फ्रॉम डूम स्क्रोलिंग, अवे फ्रॉम गेम्स एंड गॉसिप एंड ऑल दैट एंड फोकस ऑन ग्रोइंग एंड लर्निंग एंड डेवलपिंग हाई इनकम skills for their future. So make sure you watch this video and enjoy.
What's your attitude in life? What is the kind of character you're building? So habits is one way to build your character, but other than that, the attitude that you carry and the values that you carry as a person, especially since this time, because this is your foundational age, is going to stick with you for life, right? And unless and until you have major breakthroughs ahead, which means it only keeps getting better, right? Yes or no? Do we agree to this? Yes. And so, very simple thing I want to be talking about today, and listen to this really carefully and take good notes. कि apart from ये जो भी अपने talent की चीजें हम सीखते हैं, apart from all these things that we are learning, how to make money, how to spend money, how to earn money, how to invest money, and how to save money, the money matrix. And we also learn the quadrant. All this is great. But unless and until we have these 5 core things, which I'm going to be talking about here right now, all of this thing could be, I'm using the word could be because for most people it is, all of these things could be a waste. Right? So listen to this really carefully and take good notes about this session. सबसे पहली चीज जो जरूरी है, without which you could never go ahead in life, is your focus. This is my super secret formula, which I called FCCDA. And the first things foremost here is your focus. Focus means what? Whatever you, जो भी आपको चाहिए, that one goal, that one thing that you want to go for. You remember you discussed about something called as why yesterday? You want that thing, and why do you want it? Once what do you want is clear, and once why do you want is clear, all that you need is focus, which means undivided attention to go after that thing. Are we getting it, guys? Yes or no? Yes. The second thing in my formula is once you have your focus, which means once you know that, yeah, this is the goal I want to go towards. It could be your health goal, your relationship goal, or something in studies that you want to achieve, some university that you want to get admission into, or anything, any milestone what you want to achieve in your life, which you make it as a goal. Once you start focusing on it, the next step that comes in the journey is this is your commitment, which says how committed you are to your focus. And you remember yesterday when we spoke about big rocks, which means put first things first. You remember the reason I told you why you need to have these big rocks and why you need to put first things first is because it gives us the power to say no to distractions. Do you remember this conversation, guys? Yes or no? Yes. Once you know what your goal is and once you know what do you have to put first upon all of the above rest other things, once you know the quadrant that you're working at, you have the ability to say no to distractions, and that is what helps you with commitment. Once you know that these are my distractions, these are my quadrant 3 and quadrant 4 activities, I don't want to indulge in them. I want to focus on my goal. That helps you build your commitment. How committed you are to your goal. Because, guys, you will have distractions. We are living in this day and age of massive distractions. I use the word massive distraction. There's just too much distraction around us, right? You guys are exposed to the information age very, very early compared to generations that have crossed before you. So you run the risk of it works both the ways, guys. It helps you, makes you smarter individuals. Of course, I don't think I was as smart as you guys when I was, probably 15 or 14 or 15 or 16. But then it also has its disadvantages. Right? Technology के अपने disadvantages होते हैं. They tend to cause this massive distraction. So ये age में और ये समय पे you all the more commitment is what you need to reach towards your goals. Do we agree to this? Yes or no? All those people, starting from Lionel Messi to Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, and you talk about Gokesh, you talk about A.R. Rahman, Amitabh Bachchan, all of them. Do you think they would have achieved what they did if they did not have the commitment to achieve? Yes, it's difficult, right? Only if you're committed towards your goal, you can achieve that. So, second thing in the formula is your commitment. Once you have the commitment, that's where the whole game starts, which is the next C in the equation. Let me highlight my formula here. The next C in the equation, which is your, and I love this is my favorite one, it's your consistency, which means that how regular are you towards taking action towards your goal. आप कितना regularly करते हो? You know, most of us have this tendency to start with a lot of zest because the energy is high. So now this weekend you'll be together, right? And then the whole week you're going to be involved because there'll be challenges going on, there'll be a lot of work to do. You'll be involved together until we meet again next weekend on 31st. And then what happens is the energy is built so high this week, it remains very high in the coming few days, and then it starts fizzling down. Do you think that happens with most of us, right? It goes down. And that is why this is the reason you need to tell yourself and remind yourself again and again कि consistency कितनी important है. When you say you'll take action, it's not about taking action at that moment. It's about continuing to take action consistently over a period of time. I'll explain you with an example. Suppose जो ship sail करती है, when a ship starts sailing from the harbor, the sailor, the one who is navigating, the captain of the ship, is given directions, right? नॉटिकल माइल्स में डायरेक्शन देते हैं और डिग्रीज में डायरेक्शन देते हैं कि ये डिग्री में तुमको ये डायरेक्शन में जाना है. Are you aware of this? So the ship starts from the harbor, it starts sailing towards a particular direction in measure in terms of degrees and directions, right? So what happens is if suppose, you know, the person who's sailing is given that you have to navigate the ship 36 degrees to the northeast. और धीरे धीरे करके अगर कंसिस्टेंटली वो वही डिग्री पे वही डायरेक्शन में गए तो ही विल रीच द डेस्टिनेशन दैट इज destined to reach. Yes or no? Make sense? Yes. What if the sailor, what if he shifts the degree by even 1 degree? Shifts his direction by even 1 degree. Instead of 36, he makes it 37. That 1 degree shift that happens in the beginning, as he goes on further, the distance starts widening more and more. Instead of reaching destination A, he reaches a completely different destination, which is B. Do you get it what I'm trying to say? Yes? Yes. So what happens, even a degree shift, when you do consistently over a period of time, makes a huge difference. Right? On you to decide how consistently you want to go into the direction of achieving your goal. So consistency is a very, very important point in your equation. And the next comes, to maintain this consistency, you need a very important thing again, which is the discipline. The discipline to say no to distractions, the discipline to stay focused on your goals, the discipline to stay committed, and the discipline to do it consistently every single day. All these 3 things would require discipline, which ends with the 5th thing, which is, kal baat ki thi Vishal ne again, and again I'm reiterating it, which is the finale of everything, which is action. You remember what he said was that knowledge without implementation is the end of knowledge. कोई मतलब ही नहीं नॉलेज का अगर आप इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करते हो तो, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट दिस होल फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट makes you, you know, helps you to get where you want to go. And if you want to become the master of the pyramid that we discussed yesterday, your attitude, your character, and your talent, your character and your attitude, if you really want to master this pyramid, this triad, then you have this formula written and stuck well on your wall so that you remember. FCCDA, it's one of my favorite things. And you know, the reason that we need reminders, my friends, is because, again, it's life and life takes over. Every day is not a cool weekend like this where you're focused and committed and you're totally into the zone. Some weekends are full of distractions. Some weekdays are full of, you know, mess. When you are not feeling okay, you don't feel like doing anything. You may experience such time where you're doing so many things consistently भी कर रहे हो, discipline से कर रहे हो, लेकिन results ही नहीं मिल रहे हैं. And then you give up. You say, no, this is not working for me. This is some kind of bullshit. Must be working with people. It doesn't work for me. You have all these excuses, right? So it is on those days, you say for rainy days, I would call rainy because these are the dark and gloomy days where you feel like giving up. It is on those days when you have these reminders, they will remind you that this is my path and I've got to stick to it, whatever it takes.
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. And also join our Super Teens WhatsApp community, where we are going to give you continuous updates on how you can keep up with the ever-changing world, especially in the world of AI, and your teenager will remain ahead in that.